Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to guide you on how you can file ITR-1 on your own. There are total 7 ITR forms, out of which only 4 are applicable to individuals, and these are the eligibility criteria for each of the forms. There are two important criteria to decide on which ITR will be applicable to you. So first one is the total income criteria. And second one is the type of income you have during the period. Let's say during the year you have bought some equity shares or invested in some mutual funds and your total income does not exceed 50 lakhs. So in this case ITR-1 will be applicable. Why? Because you had only bought the shares. However, if you have sold these securities, then you will have income from capital gains. So in this scenario, ITR-2 will be applicable to you. And if you had done intraday trading transactions, then in that case ITR-3 will be applicable to you, as profits or losses from intraday transactions are treated as business income. Now to start your e-filing, go to income tax website and log in to the e-filing portal using your PAN number. On your dashboard you will find this option to file the return. So we'll click on file now option. By default it will show the current assessment year. And there are two modes, online mode and offline mode, through which you can file your ITR. There is no difference as such. Only the thing is, in offline mode you will get an Excel utility which you need to fill up and upload it to the website to file your return. For now, I am going with this online mode option. Select the mode and click on continue. If you have previously saved draft, then you can click on resume filing. Otherwise, we can click on start new filing. So I am going with this option, start new filing. And the default option is individual. I am going with this option only. And then click on continue. Now from the drop down, select the ITR applicable to you. So here I am selecting ITR-1. You can recheck the eligibility criteria from here and let's click on proceed with ITR-1. Once you have selected the ITR applicable to you, here you will find the option for the list of documents which will help you to file your tax return. So if you are a first time filer, this list will help you a lot. It provides details for each type of the documents, from where you can get it and how does it look like. So let's say if I click here, it will show me the sample of form 16. This is how it looks like. So once you are ready with the documents, you can start the e-filing process. Here you need to answer few questions. So select the checkbox applicable to you and click continue. Let's click OK for this message. Now here we need to provide confirmation on 5 types of details, and once we have confirmed all this, we will be able to proceed further. So let's quickly go through each of these sections. Under the personal information section, check and confirm your personal details. Under filing section, click on the relevant option applicable to you. So since we are filing the return before due date, the default option is OK. In case you have already previously filed your return and you want to make some changes in it, then you can go with this revised option. And if you are filing your return after the due date, then this option will get enabled, which you can select later on. For assessment year 24-25, new tax regime is the default tax regime. So if you want to go with old tax regime, then you need to select yes. I am going with the new tax regime. Quickly validate your bank detail and let's click on confirm. In same way, we need to confirm the remaining 4 steps. Let's go to the income section. Depending on the regime you are selecting, you need to select yes or no. So since I have selected the new regime option, I will go with the no option and click on continue. So verify all the details which have been pre-filled. If you want to edit some of the details, you can edit them. If you have salary income from multiple employers, then make the totals in Excel sheet and add the total here. Same way you need to add other details as well. If you have any income chargeable under the head house property, add those details. Or if you have any income from other sources such as interest from savings bank account, or interest from fixed deposits, quickly add those figures. Add details for exempt income. From the drop down, you can select the applicable option to you, and if you don't find the option, you can select any other and write the description for the type of income you have. So let's say I have interest income from PPF. So whatever amount you have received as an interest income, you can add that amount. After completing and confirming all the sections, you can click on confirm button. Same way, quickly check the applicable deductions to you. If you are going with old regime, then you will have more deductions to claim, and add the details for each of the deductions and provide your confirmation on it. Since I am going with the new regime, I am clicking on no and then click continue. In case you need any help, you can use this option. Once you have added all the details, click on confirm. Now it will take you to the taxes paid section. Here you need to add your TDS or TCS details, whatever tax payments you had made. And if the pre-filled data matches with your 26 years, you can click on confirm. And the last step is the total tax liability. Under this tab, you won't be able to modify any of the details. You will be only able to see the details. If you want to modify, then you will have to make changes under the relevant income or taxes section. So click on confirm. Once all the 5 steps have been confirmed, click on proceed. Now here it will show you the amount of tax payment, if any, you need to make. You have two options, so you can click on pay now option. It will take you to the tax payment website. After completing the payment, click on this option, back to return filing. Add the relevant details and click on proceed to preview. Then click on proceed to validation. Once validated, you will be taken to the screen where you can click on proceed to verification. So on the e-verify page, select the option using which you want to verify your return. So first option is the best option. Once you click on it and click on continue, you will get a verification code on your Aadhaar registered mobile number, and once you e-verify your return, you will get a success message along with the acknowledgement. You can download the receipt and this will complete your ITR filing process.